Axel of Symmetry, where math finally clicks. Welcome back to Axel of Symmetry. We've covered variables, equations, and lines. Today we tie it all together with one of the most powerful ideas in mathematics, the function. The word sounds intimidating, but the idea is friendly. A function is just a machine. You feed it a number, and it hands you back exactly one number in return. Picture it like this. An input, x, goes in the left. The machine, which we'll call f, does its job. And an output, written f of x, comes out the right. Think of a vending machine. You press the same button, and out comes the same snack, every single time. A function is exactly that: dependable, feed it a number, and it reliably hands one back. The rule inside the machine is where the magic lives. Let's give ours a rule: f of x equals 2x plus 1. That reads exactly like a recipe. Take your input, double it, then add 1. Whatever goes in, that's what happens to it. Feed in 1, and we get 2 times 1 plus 1, that's 3. We write it f of 1 equals 3. Feed in 2, and we get 5. Feed in 3, and we get 7. Same machine, different inputs, different outputs. Now here's the one rule that makes something a true function. Each input is allowed exactly one output. Put in 3, and you always get 7, never a surprise second answer. And functions aren't just abstract symbols, they quietly run our everyday lives. Say apples cost $2 each. The total cost is a function of how many apples you buy. Buy 3 apples, and the cost function returns $6. The number of apples is the input, and the price you pay is the output. Same reliable machine, just wearing an everyday disguise. Functions also love to be seen. If we plot each input-output pair as a point and connect them, our function becomes a straight line. The same y equals 2x plus 1 from last episode. There's even a neat visual check called the vertical line test. Slide any vertical line across the graph. If it only ever touches the curve once, you have a genuine function. Our line passes easily, one input, one output every time. And reading a graph is its own little superpower. Pick any x along the bottom, trace straight up to the line, then across to the y-axis, and there's your output. The whole function, visible at a glance. Your turn, pause, and predict. What is f of 4 for our machine? Double 4 to get 8, then add 1. 9. If you said 9, you truly understand functions. Let's recap. A function is a machine that turns each input into exactly one output. We write its rule as f of x, and we can list its values in a table or draw them as a graph. And that completes our Algebra Starter series. You now know variables, equations, the coordinate plane, lines, and functions. I'm so proud of you. Subscribe to Axel of Symmetry for more and keep the math clicking. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Axel of Symmetry and keep the math clicking.